Hello everyone, welcome back to Worldwide GK. Can you identify the young ones of these animals? Let's get started. What is the young one of a butterfly called? The young one of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. What is the young one of an eagle called? Young one of an eagle is called an eaglet. What is the young one of the deer called? Young one of the deer is called a fawn. What is the young one of the bear is called? The young one of a bear is called a cub. What is the young one of the zebra is called? The young one of a zebra is called a foal. What is the young one of the giraffe is called? The young one of a giraffe is called a calf. What is the young one of a snake is called? The young one of a snake is called a snakelet. What is the young one of a donkey is called? The young one of a donkey is called a foal. What is the young ones of bees are called? The young ones of bees are called larvae. What is the young one of camel is called? The young one of camel is called a calf. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family and comment your answers below. And do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications.